Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the United States of America. We've just landed at Miami International Airport, but the local time is 15 minutes past 5 in the afternoon. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
Doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors. Las puertas se están cerrando. Por favor, manténgase alejado de las puertas. Train is departing. Please hold on to the handrails. Next stop, baggage claim and connecting flights. El tren está partiendo. Próxima y única parada, reclamo de equipaje y conexión de vuelos. Exit here for baggage claim and connecting flights. This is the only stop.
Okay. Ayan, nandito na kami sa USA. Dumugo yung ilong ko, guys. Siguro dahil sa dry air. Because of dry air, dear.
Yes. Level 1.
Nandito na kami sa Miami International Airport, guys. And magkukuha lang tayo ng Uber. Dito kami sa door 11. Yan. Mabilis na naman yung Uber dito eh. And tawid tayo doon. Ride up, pick up. That's good. Alright. Ride up, pick up tayo dito. Alright. Thanks so much. Ayan guys, nasira yung aming maleta oh. Sira talaga oh. Ala. Wow. It's broken now. Where are they?
They don't remember us. He's over there.
Hi, Midnight. Come here. Come here, Midnight. Midnight. Come here. Ayun siya oh. Nagtatago si Midnight, guys. Oh, hala ka. Kinuha mo na agad. Wow. You didn't even video it. Was it on the ground? Ayun, oh, ay. Isa lang ito, only one? So maybe next year. Wala na, yung guava natin. Hi, Midnight. Hala, si Midnight. Hi, Midnight. Come here. Hi. Oh. Hi, Midnight. We missed you. Wow. Uy, 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 uy. Scaredy cat siya ngayon. Buti na lang he didn't scratch Daddy John. Hala ka, loaded ang ating... Ala. Wow, from here, oh. Okay, yung avocado ay papaya natin. A lot of... Hala ka, ang lalaki talaga. There. It's not just deer. Look. Look. Not just papaya. It's papaya. So big. It's so large. Ayan, oh. Okay, let's check the avocado. Not so much in here. Okay. Let's check the avocado. Alright. Oh, they're big na. Yan, lots of avocado, oh. Ayan. Over here. Yung garden natin namatay na lahat ng ano oh.
Fell on the floor.
Dear,
Huh?
namatay na lahat ng
Do what?
broccoli.
Uh-huh.
Ayan, lots of avocado there oh.
Yeah,
Ayun, loaded of avocado.
kinda. Looks light.
Light this time. No, there's a lot. So, 2 months. Ganito yung ano. Ay, nandun may papaya. Ay, tignan natin yung longgan, darling. Let's check the longgan. Midnight! Come here! Tumakbo si Midnight, guys. Natakot siya. Midnight! Hala ka ang mga mangga natin, darling. Hala, alat of mangga. Hala, may mga hinog na doon sa puno, dear, oh. There's ripe on the tree and then nagkalat. Hala, ang lalaki talaga ng mangga natin, darling. Hala ka, grabe. Oh, just leave it there first.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the car.
Get the car. I'll get the luggage first inside. Put the luggage inside. Okay, malunggay natin. Marami na siyang ano. Ayan. Hello USA! Na parang nasa Pilipinas lang. Tignan niyo guys ang naabutan namin. Ang mga mangga hinog na, nahulog ang lalaki nila guys. Tignan niyo. Tignan niyo guys ang mga mangga. Oh, sobrang lalaki niya. Hinog na. Ayan, ipunin natin ang dami oh. 1, 2. Ayan oh. Hala ka lalaki. Siguro sobrang lakas ng hangin dito or nahulog lang siya tungod sa kahinog. Mga Florida mango sobrang dami. Ang lalaki, ayan yung iba, kinain na ng mga ano, insekto. Ayan oh. Hala, kadami. Ayan oh. Yun. May mga hinog pa nga sa puno guys eh. Ayan oh. Come here, Midnight. Come here. Come here. Midnight. Come here. Oh, I miss you, Midnight. Miss you. Uy, Province! Hi, Kitty Province! Kitty lovely! Come here! Come here! Come here! Hi! We've missed you! We miss you, Midnight. Province. Come here. Come here. Province. Come here. Come here. Province. Come here. Oh, miss you, Province. Miss you. Hi. You getting big, huh? Hi, Province. Hi. Hi, Mila. What's wrong with your... Come here, Province. Hi guys. Welcome back to the USA. Again, it's 8:08 na ng gabi. And as you can see, nandito na yung mga palangga natin. They're all waiting. Ayan. Si Province at si Midnight. So, alis muna kami. I think nandito yung mga slippers natin. Ayan. Nakapagpalit na ako ng damit kasi yung nag-nosebleed ako kanina, guys. Ayan. Punta muna tayo ng Winn-Dixie kasi mag-grocery muna tayo ng egg, milk, and then beer siguro. Na-miss ko tong sasakyan namin. Okay. Let's go. Oh, for dinner also, no? We're gonna have dinner. What are you making for dinner?
Pollo Tropical.
Okay. So mag-take out lang kami sa Pollo Tropical. Maybe only one dear. Only one serving.
It's only one rice for you.
Chicken. Hindi na ako kumain sa second half ng flight namin kanina. 15 hours yung flight namin from Qatar to Miami. Sa Miami na yung port of entry namin. Usually kasi yung port of entry namin is Las Vegas, LA or San Francisco, but this time it's straight to Miami from Qatar, but it's long flight. But all I can say is the experience with Qatar Airways is really exceptional, from the service to the food,
Yeah,
everything.
Why go to
Lounge.
San Francisco when you can go to Doha instead?
No, and then he was asking me, the officer was asking me, why, what did you bring from the Philippines? I said dried fish and soap. What else? That's it. Clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, welcome to USA. Ganun lang siya, guys. So it's really okay to bring dried fish. So open na pala dito yung Trader Joe's malapit sa amin, guys, kasi sabi ni John next time na lang daw kami pupunta doon.
Yeah, because they don't have what I want today.
So
For sure.
sa Winn-Dixie na lang tayo pupunta. I'm very excited because we've been waiting it for a long time, like need a cart. Milk.
It's good for now, I think.
Ah, there's crack. Change lang ni John. Another crack. Change na naman natin. Another crack.
That's why nobody wants it.
Aha.
You have to change the whole thing.
Alright, no more crack.
Fix the problem.
Yep.
Is it the last one?
Yeah, looks like last big one. $10. They're on sale. No?
Yes. 926,
Because $20 is already 1,000 already.
732.
In Philippines, only 350 per kilo. 280 if may mag-ihaw na kapitbahay.
What's the difference? This is quick sale.
Oh, $9 only. Oh, get that one there. $9. Kasi it's avocado. Ay, ito dear, oh.
Better, Mambe.
They're the same. My favorite, sweet plantain. Naka $101 kaagad kami, guys. Sa unang araw ng grocery natin. Dito sa Amerika, naka $101 tayo. Cash na lang here.
No cash. Only credit.
Ah, okay. Wala kasi akong dalang
You going
credit
in?
card. Yeah, because I don't... Kasi kaya papasok tayo sa loob ng Pollo Tropical. Tingin na lang kami sa order namin dito, guys. Ayan po yung in-order namin. Spanish sila dito, kaya alam ko naman kung paano basahin ito. Kagaya niyan, oh. Order natin ay 362. That's 362. Sobrang busy ngayon, guys, kasi prime time. Dinner time na kasi. Time is 8:42 na ng gabi. It's very fast moving. I wonder how much the sales. Ayan na, guys, pauwi na kami. Ito, nakabili na kami ng dalawang order ng chicken with rice and beans. So ito na yung mga napamili natin sa grocery, guys. Day 1 pa lang ito, ha. Pero naka 117 or 118 na tayo. Ako yung nag-bag kanina, guys, kasi kung hahayaan ko yan sila na mag-bag dito, no? Parang gusto nilang ibigay lahat sa akin ng mga silupin, ang mga silupin. Hindi sila nagtitipid. Ayan, so itlog, tapos crispy chicken strips, milk, and sale yung kanilang mga chicken, karne, buy one take one, so kinuha na namin. Ayan. So itong mga basta, hindi na natin prepaid. Dami pala nilang binigay na sauce here, oh. So ito yung nabili natin na chicken. Wow! Do you want this or no? Do you want the white?
That looks like the thigh and the leg.
Dark. Dark.
That's
Oh,
the
this is
breast and
yours.
the wing.
This is yours. You have to throw it away. It's already old. Hala, the egg is for the bread. This one is a good egg. Kain muna tayo, guys. Let's eat. First meal in US. No time to cook. So, bili na lang sa labas. Pollo Tropical is like manginasal. With tinapay. And ito yung mga sauce na nilagay sa akin. Napakadami. Cilantro ito eh. Pero mas masarap yung ano, no? Tuyo at kalamansi. Try natin yung cilantro. Masarap din.
Where's your buddy Province, huh?
Hi, Midnight! Pumasok na si Midnight. Hi! Nagutom din si Midnight, no? Himala, ha? Lumapit ka agad sila sa amin. Nung bago-bago pa kasi naman yan sila nakup-kup, guys. Kapag ka umaalis kami ni Jan, parang nakakalimutan nila kami pagbalik namin. Pero ngayon, lapit na kagad. Guys, mamaya na ha. Parelaxin nyo muna ako. Marami nag-message ka agad na bulad. Saan na yung bulad? Malong. Wait lang talaga, guys. Magpahinga muna si Johannes nandiyan. Guys, here's the money left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Enough to start for the next travel.
Yeah, you have to give me that the next time we go to the Philippines.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
6,000. Hi guys, good morning everyone. It's 6:11 in the morning at gumagawa lang kami ngayon ng kape ni Jan. Sobrang aga namin nagising. Actually, kanina pa ako nagising mga 5-ish. And then, nandito si Province at si Midnight. Hi! Province, come here. Province, come here. Don't hide in there. Where's the big boy? Big boy! Hi! Come here! Hi, big boy! Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Come here. You hungry? Papakainin na natin siya. May natira pa siya kahapon. Dun sa inopen ko na food sa kanya. Wait lang. Come here. Eat na. Hi, Midnight. I missed you, Midnight. You're a big boy. Big boy. So guys, today is a very busy day. Hindi ko pa na-unwrap itong aking mga dried fish. Surprisingly guys, hindi ganun ka amoy or smelly yung ating dried fish, which is very good. And ito yung mga soap na dala natin. Meron tayong 600 pieces na Your Highness Collagen Soap. So magunahan na lang po yung mga nagpa-reserve nung June. Okay, ito na po. Dala-dala ko na po. Yung mga tag 10 pieces, 20 pieces. Sa mga gustong sumubok din ito, pwede din naman kayo mag-order ng tag isa or dalawang piraso. And then meron din tayo dito mga Christinang bags. Pero ito po yung mga na-purchase natin noong nakaraan. Ayan, siguro may 40 pieces available lang tayo. Ipapaubos ko muna ito guys bago ako babalik ulit ng Malaysia. So, ayun, hindi ko pa na tanggal yung ibang mga gamit sa maleta natin from our travel. Siguro mamaya ko na lang siya gagawin. Ito, wala na ito. Ayan. Palagi talaga may checklist si Jan every time na nagta-travel kami. Pero kahit na may checklist si Jan guys, no, mayroon pa rin kaming naiiwan dito sa bahay. Kagaya na lamang nung isa ko na microphone at isa ko na transmitter. Mamaya guys, ayan, ganito po ang itsura ng bahay natin ngayon. Magulo talaga siya guys. Alam nyo, ngayon ko lang din na-realize na tama yung sinabi ni Jan na kuhanan ko daw ng passport yung aking kapatid. Or it's either si Rose Andin or si Ivy. Kasi para pupunta din sila dito sa US one day. Para may makakatulong din ako dito sa mga ginagawa ko guys. Kasi I'm sure in the next few years, ang gagawin ko na lang is pabalik-balik na lang sa US and Pilipinas. And magbenta ng mga kung ano-ano. Pag galing ako ng Philippines, magdadala ako dito ng mga, like for example, bags, perfumes, no, na pwede nating ibenta sa Pilipinas. And also, pagbalik ko naman dito sa US, magdadala din ako ng mga gamit like, or mga paninda like, dried fish, malong, batik, or anything na mabili natin sa Malaysia or Thailand kasi yun po yung mga sikat na binibenta ngayon online. So, yun. And it will cover my transportation or fare. It will cover my airfare ticket and my hotel and my stay in the Philippines. So, medyo pricey lang ngayon talaga ang mga bilihin guys ha, kasi grabe nagtaasan talaga ang akala ko bumalik na sa dati yung crudo. Kasi pag bumibili kami dati guys, nasa 50 lang ang liter ng aming, sa sasakyan kasi namin guys is diesel, nasa 50 pesos lang talaga siya. Nung kinuha ko yung sasakyan namin 3 years ago, mga ganyan pa lang yung presyuhan ng mga diesel. Pero ngayon talaga guys is, may one time na umabot siya ng 105 to 110 and ngayon bumalik na naman siya. Bumaba nung umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, bumaba siya sa 65 hanggang sa nag-75. Ngayon bumalik na naman sa 95. So, sana ngayon lang yan. Sana pagka sugarcane season na, sana bumalik na sa dati, no? Yung presyo ng gasolina. Kasi sobra talaga guys. Malaking perwisyo talaga ito, pasakit, pasanin sa lahat ng mga negosyante. Wala ka nakikitain talaga guys. Hi guys! Nagbubukas na kami ng mga maleta ngayon at ang gaganda ng mga malong na binibenta natin. Ayan. Ayan oh. Uy, pili lang kayo ng favorite color nyo ha. Sobrang haba niya dear. That's why it's called malong. Because it's really long.
It's very long.
Oo. At saka ang lapad niya. At saka ang ganda ng mga colors and mga designs. Ayan dear oh. Halaka, sa mga nag-order sa akin, ito na kasi yung iba eh. Order na kasi yung iba. O, ito yung jacket natin. O, si Ma'am Roses, nandito na madam. Jing Reyes, Judy Gautsi, G. Valiesa. Ayan, sila Jen Mendez. Nandito na yung mga orders ninyo guys. And then, ang dami pa talaga din. Ang ganda talaga ng mga designs. Oh. So, 50 pieces lang ito. Ipopost or panoorin or tignan nyo na lang yung previous post ko, guys. Tignan nyo na lang yung previous post ko, guys, at sabihin nyo kung ano yung design na gusto ninyo kasi paunahan lang. So, first come, first serve lang tayo. Okay? Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga designs. Wow. 50 lang ito, ha? Ayan, oh. Wow. Pwede nyong gawing damit. You can make this one as a dress, darling. Ayan, pwede nyo tahiin. At pwede rin yung ihabol. Ayan, oh, kasi malong. Malong, habol man yan. Authentic, Rosalina. Wow. Wow, oh. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, sa mga gustong mag-order ng malong, tawagan nyo lang ako sa messenger ko, guys, ha? Kasi ipapakita ko sa inyo isa-isa yung mga colors and designs. Kasi halos magkakaparehas kasi siya ng colors and design. So, mas maganda na makita po ninyo ng actual, no, sa video call. So, call me right now para i-ship din natin agad. So, sa mga nag-order ng tuyo, hindi pa ako nag-reply sa inyo, guys, ha, pasensya na, may jet lag pa tayo. Pero today, sasagutin ko na yung mga PMs ninyo. Pasensya na talaga, guys, ha. So, give me some time. Good morning. Ayan, ito yung mga nakuha natin for 2 months. Ito yung mga letters na dumating sa amin. Actually, we're straightening it.
Here, this is for you, not me.
Oy! Hala ka, darling, why is it $490?
Because the cats were here using the air conditioning.
Bill namin sa kuryente. Akala ko sa Pilipinas lang yung malaki sa amin. I think this is 2 months, no?
Yeah, it's already
2
paid.
months worth. Paid na pala, niloloko mo ako, dear, eh. Johannes, Bank of America, okay. And John, Bank of America also. So, dear, this is last month. Okay. 2 months kami hindi nakabayad ng bill. Pero buti na lang, because John mentioned before that he couldn't pay online. $294 kahit wala, even if we're not here, $294, ha? In 1 month, ha? Ayun, tatago lang natin itong mga envelope.
I think they guessed it.
We will just keep the envelope.
Everybody was complaining about their high electric bills. I think they just guessed.
Wait, just like in the Philippines, everybody is complaining because there are some charges that we don't really know, like just system loss charges and all. Hi, Midnight! Midnight is looking amazing. Midnight still remembers us after few months. 2 months. Ayan. This is everything is John. John. Okay, mine and John. 2 months lang akong nawala, guys. Ang dami ng mga credit cards na natanggap. Yung iba kasi dito is nag-expire na siya. So, pinalitan lang nila. Dito kasi sa US talaga, guys, is credit card talaga ang ginagamit. Marami mga nagsasabi na, utang lang yan. Pero sa totoo lang, guys, dito sa US, utang naman talaga. Don't really need, sometimes kasi they really are trying hard to offer you credit card here in the United States. Some people they cannot pay, so they incur charges like interest. So that's really a no-no for John Bickley. If you have the money in the bank, you have to pay it right away. Do you know?
Yeah,
Otherwise you're making them rich. You're
paying interest on your own money.
The company, yes, exactly. So, credit card kasi, guys, is okay to gain points, which you can use, for example, booking online for free, hotel for free, booking flights for free. If you're a frequent flyer, you really need a credit card. And in the future, you might use that one if you apply for a loan, and then they will see your status if you're a good payer or something like that. That's where they check your record. So just make sure that you pay your bills on time. so that you will not have problems in the future, especially if you're buying house or anything. So that's it. Okay na kami dito. I-shred lang ni Jan yung mga unnecessary kasi it's very important na i-shred mo talaga yun siya, guys, kasi there are some scammers that they will use your identity. They will get your information like your social security and all, and they will use it. So you have to really shred it. So later, mag-ano lang ako, I will unpack first, and then the dried fish, i-message ko na yung mga nag-order. Yung mga first come, first serve lang nag-order sa atin. And then, malong, unahin natin yan. And also, last na natin is yung mga Christinang bags. And after that, once it's done, I will start accepting orders for Christinang, dried fish, and malong, because maybe next month.
Anything shreddable?
No, that's throwable. Because next month, guys, is maybe we are going back to Philippines. For 2 months. Bye, Johnny.
You're gonna go back for 2 months?
While Johnny is working in the US. Hello again, we're back. Busy lang kami, nag-a-unpack lang kami ni Jan ngayon, and then yung iba dito is ilo-laundry na natin. 2 luggage pa lang yung na-unpack natin. Yung mga soap and dried fish. Next luggage naman is yung mga personal stuff namin ni John. And then, yung malong. Yun naman yung next. Para may space tayo dito, guys. Kasi, magla-live selling ako soon. So, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng space. Tanggalin na natin yung mga luggage tags natin. Ayan. Which is very easy lang naman to remove. Okay. 2 bags down. Or 2 luggage down. There's still 2 left. There you go. Itatapon na natin yung ibang maleta, guys, because they're already broken. Ayan. So, ay, ang gaganda ng mga malong. Ang ganda ng kanyang quality.
You wear it?
You can wear it, and then you can also make a blanket. First customer na natawagan ko from Michigan. Ito yung in-order niya, 3 malong. Ayan si Ma'am Rema Byrne. Ayan, nung tumawag ako sa kanya, nagbibihis pa siya kasi papasok ata siya sa work. So, Rema Byrne, tinatawagan ko sila isa-isa, guys, kasi yung iba dito na mga pina-separate ko na order is mali eh. Mali yung color. So, tatawagan ko sila ngayon isa-isa para i-confirm sa kanila kung ano talaga yung kulay na gusto nila. Kasi tignan niyo nga naman ang mga kulay, oh. Halos pare-parehas. Ayan, so tinatawagan ko sila one by one. Ayan, to check kung tama. Kasi ayaw nating magkamali kasi mahal ang shipping fee. Ayan, sabi ni John, bakit nagkamali? Ayan, sabi ko, ewan ko. Okay, Rema Byrne. Next is G. Valeza. Oh, dear, Roses del Rosario. Wala siya dito. No, it's not the
No.
same. Hi, sis. Good morning. Hello, sis. Good morning. Hi. Sis, may isa na mali. Yung parang purple. I-check ko, sis, ha. Ito yung pangatlo. Ayan, pang-apat. Ito ata yung parang hindi mo na-order, sis.
Okay lang po kung ibang kulay.
Oo. And then, the rest naman is tama. Bukod lang doon sa isa.
Okay lang po.
Okay lang, sis.
Ah,
Mga
meron
bukas
po
ko
yung
ipa-ship,
purple,
sis.
no?
Ha?
Yung purple lang pong wala?
Oo.
O yung yun pa?
Oo.
Okay lang po.
Sige. Bukas ko ipa-ship, sis, ha?
Okay po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
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 Okay, dear. Good thing our customers here are very understandable.
Yeah. My whole thing is that they shouldn't have to be. It's just a shame. It doesn't change every time there's an order. It's always.
Good morning guys. And happy, anong araw na ba ngayon guys? Monday? Monday na ba ngayon? Hindi ko na alam ang mga araw. Ayan, happy Monday. Pupunta lang kami ni John sa Costco, pero hindi yung malapit dito sa amin. Kasi wala dito yung bibilhin namin. Bibili kasi kami ng bird seed. Wallet check, cellphone check. So nag-live pala ako kanina to inform you guys na dala ko na po yung mga order ninyo na malong, and meron na lang akong 25 pieces available, and ipapakita ko sa inyo dito, but I'm not sure kung available pa ito the moment na ma-post ko itong vlog na ito natin, kasi ang dami ng mga nag-order, and tatawagan ko kayo guys isa-isa, and then after that bubuksan ko na yung mga dried fish natin. Meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng dried fish na dala ko, pero not everyone can avail, no? Kasi yung iba is tagpo 4 packs lang, 9 packs, 10, 15, and yung mas madami lang doon is yung nukos or yung pusit, and then yung danggit. Yun lang po yung 30 packs na dala ko. So heading to Costco, quick grocery run. Wala pa kaming breakfast ni Jan, and siguro mag-exer. Are we gonna walk later? But it's too hot to walk na. Maybe we do it early in the morning, like 6 or 7 a.m. Kailangan na talaga natin mag-exercise din guys. Uy, tignan nyo itong bahay nila dito guys. Oh, what kind of design is that?
When they're brand new, they look good, but those shingles change color very quickly. Unless you want to go in.
No. Ayan, so pupunta muna. First stop natin guys ay sa Eye and Air. I think nagpagawa si Jan ng glasses and it's already available. Ipipick up niya na lang. Nandito na si Jan guys. That was fast. Nag-reply na ako sa mga Johannes. Wow! What kind of glass ano is this?
One that doesn't fit well in the luggage.
Better than this one.
I used to wear the regular glasses, but
$800? Oh, we should have not come back to US. Yesterday, our bill for the grocery is $120. Every time we go out the house. Now it's $900.
You don't even have to leave.
Diyos ko, you don't even have to leave the house. That's why we want to retire in the Philippines. And eat dried fish.
The next bill's coming for the air conditioner.
Ay, oo. Ay, that 20,000?
It's not 20. It could be 16.
16?
I don't think I'm going to do the whole job. I think
Kasi we need to replace, di ba remember guys, last time we had a guy came out and check our system because it's very old. It really needs to be replaced. 19? When was it installed? The old one?
2017.
Oh, 2017.
Is that right? Yeah.
2017.
Or 2007.
2007. Well, that's where you started your work at the Bronfman
Right.
as a chef. So imagine, ang aming air conditioning system guys was installed 2007. So it's been more than 20 years. That's why sometimes we're coughing.
Yeah, the machine never really filters the air. The new one will be really nicely filtered, where there's no gaps. I don't understand these people making these machines.
So sabi ni Jan, it's okay to spend that money as long as okay yung filter system nila, and para din sa health natin yan guys eh. So I don't know when it's going to be installed. Maybe as soon as possible, or call for appointment.
We can't have everything in the way when they come to work.
Oh, okay. So that's why I have to finish guys all the shipping. So probably this week it will be finished. We're here now. Okay. Nakachinelas lang ako ngayon guys. Pag nandito ako sa US, no, hindi naman ako masyadong maarte sa mga sinusuot ko. When you said one, one's fine. Okay. Good morning.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Ang lalaki ng mga TV, oh. Ang lalaki ng mga TV. Kasi maganda ito eh. Ayan oh, $149. Too much. Ay, may bago yung Aveeno. $13. Mura lang siya. Mga couch na nakikita natin sa mga kalsada na tinatapon lang nila. How much? $500 for the couch.
Was it fine one on the street?
Right. You want another Dubai Chewy cookie?
No.
May bago oh, mango. Dried, dried or cubes? Cubes mango. Looks better. Looks good, ha? Ano kukunin ni John? The mixed nuts. Our favorite. Salted. That's really good. We have to bring that to the Philippines. May mga sale ba sa vitamins? Feeling ko meron. Eye patch. Water. We like garlic, no? We should try.
Alright, we'll try that.
Yeah. Oh, look. There's other stuff there.
Yes.
Like peppers.
Alright.
Talo what? Fries?
$12.
Talo fries? Wow.
That's a lot of money.
But we have to try that.
Try
Hala.
it. We will.
Grass-fed talo, huh? That looks yum. Ayan, no?
Wagyu beef patty.
Oh? First time. Right?
Give it a try.
Give it a try. Wagyu beef, how much? $35. Don't leave the house. Ganyan ang nangyayari kapag lumalabas tayo ng bahay.
I don't see any other.
Napapagastos tayo. Ito yung mahal na mga crabs, guys, oh. Snow crabs, $130. Katul. Ito yung mga pang snacks na mga pang diet na snacks, oh. Pero mahal. $14. Mga pang diet na snacks. Ayan, oh. Mga pang diet na snacks. And then lastly, water. Yes, because we cannot find it.
I don't know where they went.
Maybe you bring it to the work I didn't know there's bigger like this. But I don't know if it's worth it.
We have to move that already.
Not in the Philippines. Next is water. What about napkins? Still have na.
Ikaw may financer.
Ako na lang pala ang hinihintay.
Kumay labahita.
Kumay. O upat ra na kapaks ba akong dala.
Tagay po sa tagpila pa.
Tag-upat ra man na day akong dala. All right. Oh, no good.
I mean,
Please remember to check your
81.
receipt.
Naka 281.43 tayo. Wow. So, para din tayong nag-shopping sa Pilipinas. Kasi kapag nag-shopping kami sa pizza, yeah, SNR, SNR or Landers, the pizza in the Philippines, mas gusto ni Jan yung pizza sa Philippines kaysa dito, guys. So, naka $281 tayo and 43 cents. It's not on again.
Okay.
No more?
Just water. French fries for the bag.
There's lots of new stuff today that I wanna try. Oh, this one too, right? Don't matter.
No, don't bother.
I think mag-ano kami ni John, burger and fries. Actually, this is a new brand na itatry natin. It's Angus, no? Angus burger. And Wagyu. Wagyu burger. And for the fries, talo fries. Ayan. Check natin yung sugar natin. Kasi always eating rice, eating whatever in the Philippines. So, this is the perfect time to check it. Eating whatever in the Philippines. So, we'll see. $99! Wow! Is this even true? $99, darling, oh!
Uh-huh. So you're skinny.
So, okay pa din pala, guys. Pwede pa ulit mag-rice si Johannes, pero magka-cut down nga ako sa rice, guys, kasi alam mo na, as we grow older, hindi natin alam ang mga nangyayari sa katawan natin. Nag-reheat si Jan ng burger. Tignan nyo yung nangyari. Parang naluto na yung edge. Isang sweet plantain. Namiss ko to. If meron kayong mahanap na ganito, guys, na brand, try nyo. Sweet plantain na parang. Ah, it's like that. Alright. There's lots of spices, huh?
I don't want the garlic.
Oh,
Very strong. It's raw pickled garlic. Then again, it might be good.
garlic they say is good.
They're very tasty.
This one? Yeah, because I see all those peppers. Looks like tomato. OMG. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Wow. That one's good too. Is it pepper dear or tomato?
Pepper.
Oh wow. The best, no?
Delicious.
Golden brown.
Crispy, hot, golden brown. Salt them right away.
Ay! Wow. It's not hard.
It's tasty.
Ah. Wow. Surprisingly. Do you like this and the other ones? The farm burger.
It's good this time.
Have you tried this before or no?
No, the last ones were hard.
No rice kami ngayon.
I don't know what happened last time. The burger meat's hard. Like it came from the wet market.
Ang sarap ng burger. Hati lang kami ni Jan sa cook. Sarap. Sarap ng fries. Talo fries.
Mm-hmm.
Very good lunch.
Untouched by seed oil.
Usually hindi ko gusto yung olive guys because salty, but this one is tasty.
Very tasty.
Wow. Guys, buksan ko na itong dried fish guys ha. Tignan natin. Oh, in fairness, ang mulmul natin, okay pa siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,